Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Sepang Blue Audi S1 3-door. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front headlight washer jets. At the side of the vehicle we have the 17-inch parallel spoke design alloy wheels. And moving to the rear, the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards with the LED backlights and the chrome quad exhausts with the rear parking sensors. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the extended leather on the inside of the door cards with the stitching, electronic folding exterior mirrors with automatic headlights and wipers, and the S1 sports seats with the S1 embossed logo in the leather. 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with the red stitching, cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox with Audi Drive Select, air conditioning and Audi's MMI display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi S1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.